Hey guys, welcome back to CRUSE. Does your Honda HRV tailgate refuse to open as if it's locked? Well, in that case, I've got a free, quick and easy fix for you. Keep watching to find out how to get your tailgate working like new again. First, find a way to get inside your trunk space, and in the very bottom center, you'll see a small rectangular slot. Pop open the plastic cover to reveal a metal pin hidden behind the white plastic cover as seen in the video. You'll want to use a small, flathead screwdriver to remove the plastic cover and push that metal pin to the right while you or someone else pulls open the trunk at the same time. Now use a plastic trim remover tool or anything similar you can access to pry open the plastic cover off your trunk. Then, using a 10mm socket or wrench, undo these bolts as I'm showing. Right behind the piece that we removed, buried inside, you'll see the connector to the tailgate switch assembly. Take a can of WD-40 and spray both ends of those connectors. Make sure to wear eye protection. Plug the wires back in, and then bolt this metal bracket right back into place. After all that's done, your trunk should work perfectly just like it used to. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more CRUSE videos.